Hey, what's going on? Mike Hobbs here, and this is actually the PC version of sharing my phone inside of Zoom. So you'll be able to see my phone screen while I'm doing a tutorial inside of Zoom, and there's been tons of people who've asked me about this. I have a Mac version, and that one's a lot easier, and you can see it in the description if you have a Mac. And I'm using an iPhone in this video. But this will actually work with on a PC. It'll actually probably work better with an Android phone. And I'm sure there's other videos out there. It's pretty self-explanatory when you have an Android. But with an iPhone, it's a little bit more involved. So I wanted to share with you how to do it here. So the first things first is you have your Zoom open. If you want to share your iPhone for the very first time, if you click over here, so you're in your Zoom meeting, you started it up, and right here under screen share, you're going to go ahead and click on that screen share button right there. And then you're going to choose the iPhone slash iPad little pop-up that pops up right here. You're going to choose that. And then you're going to notice a pop-up say you need to install a plugin. So when you click that, it says a plugin is required to share this iPhone iPad. You shouldn't have to do this later. So you only have to do this one time. So you're just going to go ahead and click on install. You're going to install that plugin first. And keep in mind that this method is the AirPlay method. Okay, you're going to actually be sharing it with your AirPlay. So once you've installed that plugin, you don't have to do that again. You're going to get this big, huge pop-up here. And it says on your iPhone or iPad, connect to this Wi-Fi network. So you need to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So if you are on a different Wi-Fi or maybe you're on your phone internet, you need to connect to the exact same Wi-Fi network as your computer. So if your computer is just hardwired in, you may need to connect to a router. So just somehow connected to the Wi-Fi. You can be plugged in and connected to a Wi-Fi at the same time, by the way. So go ahead and connect yourself to the router, the same internet connection. So I'm already connected. And then on your phone, you're going to swipe down from the top right corner. And you may not be able to see this, but you're just going to swipe down from the top right corner. And then there's going to be a little screen share button right there. It's two little, it shows you right here, right here. It just looks like these two little squares right there on the screen. So you're going to click on those two little squares. Okay, and then it says to choose the Zoom, it's MI. Okay, so I'm going to scroll through my list here and choose Zoom, it's MI. Okay, and it says if you don't see it to restart your device. But now as you can see, it just did that. So now when I click out of this, now my phone screen is right there and it's now sharing inside of my Zoom meeting, and I can go through and do my tutorial like usual, show people whatever I'm doing on the screen right there. So that's how simple it is. Basically, you're connecting through the AirPlay method. And if you want to stop the screen sharing, just go to your Zoom meeting itself, click on stop share, so that you're going to see this little meeting bar. You're going to click on stop share, and it's going to bring back up your Zoom meeting. So just to recap, basically, you're using the AirPlay method. Once you have installed the plugin, then you're just going to swipe down, choose screen mirroring, and choose the one that's in your Zoom meeting that it tells you to choose. And then it will start showing your phone screen, and you can start going through your phone and showing what you want to do. So that's the PC version. It's not as simple as the Mac version. The Mac version you just plug in. With the PC, you have to use the AirPlay method, so you have to be on the same Wi-Fi network. So anyway, I hope you got value from this. Give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see more PC tutorial type of videos, I just got this PC recently. I'm a Mac person, so I prefer Mac, but I could do more tutorials on PC. Just let me know which ones you want in the comments section. And also, if you'd like to learn more about what I do online, I'll have a link in the description. You can check out all those resources, or you can go to seekprosperity.com. Make it a wonderful day and see you in the next video. Bye for now.